What is that? What is that? You got a box, a blade, glass cleaning towel, glass cleaner. That must mean one thing. A new car? Sure. It means, ta-da, that I am actually putting a windshield banner on the car. So that would be one of the modifications, whichever way you want to view that I'm going to be doing to the car today. So let's get to it, shall we? And I'm going to be doing this with one hand for the most part. Well, I'm going to install it with both hands. You guys are not going to see that part. But it's easier to do this if you have two people. But my wife's in the house right now making dinner and watching the dog and the baby. So I'm going to do this quickly and efficiently. So let's get to it. First thing you're going to want to do is clean the area that you're going to be working on. Oh. Why is it leaking? Anyways. So you want to clean this area really well before you start laying down your banner. I got my squeegee here. This actually does not come in the box, but it is a great thing to have. And I'm gonna wrap it with this microfiber, just like one wrap, so it doesn't scratch the banner, because it is a matte black banner. And I have a blade here, so I can cut along the edge and tuck it up between the window and the roof. So, oh, if you guys are wondering, this is an 18% windshield tint, then 5 on the sides, 5 on the rear. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this windshield banner set up and be right back. All right, went ahead and centered the banner, so you guys see that. Should be pretty much dead center. I didn't use like a measuring stick or a ruler or anything, just to you know, to make it perfect. But I think it's pretty much dead center. What do you guys think? Well guys, I got it on. That's not the easiest job to do, especially with one person, but probably not going to be able to see it, but here you go. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it real good, but the lowered lifestyle letters are actually cut out, so the reflection of the there you go. So the reflection of the windshield comes through, and the matte black is, as you can see, there's a few bubbles that'll come out with the sun, and if it doesn't, I'll just take a little needle and one little dot here and scoop it out. But the satin black or matte black almost matches the trim. For some reason the trim looks darker on camera, but it's almost a perfect match. So here's the other angle. And from afar, you really can't see it. I'm sure in the daytime you're going to be able to see it pretty good. But sorry, this lighting sucks. It is dark outside. But it's gonna do it, guys. Sorry I didn't get any better lighting on it. I'll post some pictures tomorrow when the sun comes out, because it is currently 6:01. And for everybody who doesn't know, in Florida with daylight savings, it gets dark about 5:30. So it's gonna do it, guys. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.